A huge playground, and in the midst of the field, it's a two-storied, beautifully constructed raised pavilion. This structure, used for the purpose of sporting and cultural events, is one of the oldest amphitheaters in entire Asia. The name of this imposing edifice, situated at district of Sivasagar in Upper Assam, is known as the Ronghar. The beautiful province of Assam is endowed with abundance of nature's bounty. The vast land covering the length and breadth along the both sides of the mighty Brahmaputra was ruled by the Ahom clan for 600 years. And the solid political, social and cultural foundation of Assam was built during Ahom's reign. Bihu songs and dance of agrarian Assamese society was once performed in the open fields and under the trees. But after the 30th Ahom king, Swargodev Rudra invited the performers to showcase the Bihu songs and dance in front of the royalty and public. In this very ground of Ronghar, Bihu started enjoying the status of national festival of Assam. During the last part of 17th century, Swargodev Rudra established the capital of Ahom kingdom named Rangpur beside the river Dikho, presently near Sivasagar town. In the field named Rupohipothar of Rangpur, he constructed a two-storied bamboo and wooden structure and christened it Ronghar. Over time, the wooden Ronghar lost into oblivion. On the very side of the wooden structure, the 32nd Ahom king Pramodra constructed the present two-storied concrete structure in 1746. This almost 300 years old Ronghar is a true pride of Assam. This architectural marvel, situated just 3 kilometers away from the city of Sivasagar, can attract all who passes by. After collecting entry tickets authorized by the Archaeological Survey of India, when we were stepping ahead towards the Ronghar, a golden picture from the past of Assam was imagined. This two-storied Radis building is octagonal in shape. Use of octagon is one uniqueness of Ahom architecture. On the roof, a boat-like design is added, decorated with dragon-shaped statues on the boat ends. In the middle, there are 3 temple-like structures with sculpture of dancing women onto it. Both the floors of Ronghar are of same dimensions. The length is 22 meters and breadth is 11 meters. While the height is 6 meters. On the south, there is a flight of stairs leading to the hall of the first floor. Observing the stairs, it can be assumed that it was made to felicitate the royalty riding on elephant's back for easy access to the upper floor. Ronghar Pavilion is designed to witness the events on both sides in the east and west, as it is situated in the midst of an open field. History books say that before the sporting event, the elephants were made crazy for fight by feeding them sticky bora rice and matima or pulses in the shade. Under the supervision of Hensua Barua, hen birds, falcons were trained to catch conua birds, woolly-necked stork. It is noteworthy that during the Ahom reign, a book named Hastir Vidyarnava was written for the upkeep and treatment of elephants. Hensua Puthi was written about the techniques of training falcon birds. In the sporting arena of Ronghar, apart from bullfight, elephants fight, and fight between tigers and panthers, wrestling among young men was also very popular. Besides sports, Bihu was celebrated with all pomp and vigour in the precincts of Ronghar, where young men and women from the length and breadth of the state used to enthusiastically take part. Elaborate arrangements were made for holding these sporting and cultural events under royal patronage, which were enjoyed by the king, nobles and royal family from this Rangghar amphitheater. On all sides in the exterior, there are a series of arched openings adorned with magnificent carved floral motifs on the walls. The sculptures are made of wall plaster or terracotta. A significant example of architectural splendor of Ahom era can be seen in this Ronghar. Visitors in large numbers throng this historical monument Ronghar, which is situated near the Sivasagar town of Upper Assam, reminding one about the golden period of Ahom rule in Assam.